Let's talk about this very, very bullish call. $2,000 a share by 2027. You're raising your price target.
We've heard Tesla say this, but we've actually modeled the opportunity in robotaxis and autonomy. And if you look at the future of, Tesla vehicles that are capable, becoming robotaxi enabled, earning a recurring revenue stream at what we think will be software as a service like margins. This is an amazing potential for Tesla. It'll definitely be, the highest return on investment per battery produced, as we've analyzed in our new report up on our website. So I think that, again, this will totally change Tesla's margin structure in the future. They mentioned on the earnings call that they're prioritizing getting cars out on the road. I think that's a smart decision, as opposed to, keeping margins high and prices high in the short term. They just want to get as many cars out on the road as possible. Those cars feed Tesla's data engine, and that's what turns each of them into a fully autonomous car in the future.
Yeah, Elon said on the earnings call he thinks they could achieve fully autonomous this year. Is that your expectation?
The midpoint of our expectation is in 2024, so it'd be later than Elon says. In our most bullish case, I think they could launch fourth quarter this year. But again, the real thing to look at here is, whether or not it's fourth quarter, whether or not it's next year or the year after that, this is an amazing opportunity. We think the market for robotaxis globally could be worth, $9 to $10 trillion in the next decade. So it's clear why Tesla is pursuing this opportunity. And again, with their data advantage and their verticalization, they really could be a leader here.
You're happy if he stays on board as CEO of Twitter beyond this year?
Yeah, so we are invested in Twitter in our private fund here at ARK. So I think that a lot of the ideas that he's put forward there to have the potential to really change the company, and particularly the payments platform aspect of things, we're pretty excited about. And our fintech team has done a lot of research there. But again, I think going back to Tesla, I'm not concerned with him splitting his time. We're going off of his execution here, and he's been an amazing leader. He's built an auto company that's really unrivaled in its autonomy and AI advantage, its software advantage, and its battery advantage.
Tasha, what about the Cybertruck? Certainly that has drummed up some excitement. Of course, it was mentioned a couple of times on the most recent earnings call. How important, or is it important at all, to the investment thesis?
What I think is so interesting about Cybertruck is it's just another way that Tesla is really efficiently producing cars. So, the no need for paint or any coating, one single piece